We never even ask questions. She don't they start confession. Just now. Listen to this quickly, guys. I won't talk again. Nothing. I finish playing this. Just listen and be blessed. Please help me to thumbs up and share the video.
Prophetess Grace Ojefo, the General Overseer of Solution House of God Ministry, aka You Must Be Pregnant.
The General Overseer of Solution House of Scamming Devil Ministry. Fake. When I listen.
I will say I've been crying. For some days now, I've been crying. The reason why
cry will always be your portion because you don't scam a lot of people. Put tears in their eyes. You will cry for the rest of your life. Disgrace. Tears, sorrow, pain. You think by doing one or two to bring to going extra miles to collect, do mago to collect 6 children will bring you joy. But still there is no joy. But still you not get peace. You say you are crying. So 6 children where you buy for market, where you use a whole hell of money to buy, scam people money to buy, 6.5 dozen of sardine where you scam people money to buy. It's not giving you joy. No, not to give you joy. You will cry and cry and cry for the rest of your miserable life because you have caused a lot of humanity, a lot of people pain. It's not going to give you joy. You know how you take get 6.5 dozen of sardine where they pack they go. You know. The world does not know. But the inner caucus that is close to you, you know, see your mouth, not the cover. They know the truth. They know the truth. Small thing when I talk yesterday, you don't come out because they confess. Let me quickly play it, guys. Tears will always be your portion. You buy 6 children, still peace not there, you are still crying. You will cry forever. That is my wish for you. For causing humanity pain. For being a notorious scammer in our society. You will always cry to the rest of your life. 6 children, you like buy dozen from market. Buy 200 children. Your joy will never still be there. Your joy you will never still find joy. You not gonna give you joy. And then you be. Your mates at this time and grandchildren they wait for. Now you they buy 6.5 dozen of sardine. Till they impress for social media. You will never know peace. For the fact that you they put years and pain into people's lives, you will never know peace, disgrace. This morning I never brush. I just wake up and I proclaim and I pronounce, I decree and I declare upon your life that peace will be far off from you. You will cry forever. I say so. More than listening, my lovely people, please thumbs up and share the video.
Mine is that my God give me the ability to jubilate over my enemies. I don't know. I want to say something. Some people around me make me to believe that they are the cause why I couldn't have children for all this while. Some people around me. There was a lady in Ubeji, Warri, Delta State. This lady, when I was working with EGTL, now working in EGTL, anytime I want to go to, anytime I'm on time off, when I come out, I want to go back to work, she will be the one that will make up me. I want to go to, maybe somebody invites me, because I don't like going to parties and all those things. She will be the one to make up me. I want to go to church, she will be the one to make up me. She's a makeup artist. But the two of us come from the same, she and my mom come from the same community. Her name is Missy.
That's the way she they call makeup artist, now her sister. Now her sister. She don't turn out to makeup artist. Yeah, that one do makeup, but not really a makeup artist. Her sister. Small thing when I talk yesterday, say, your nyash go so up, come about 6 children where you pack, come out. Yeah, how you take get, put them together. Now she wrote come out this morning, come they make us understand. Partially they confess to us. Not be this one year. The true confession. Your nyash go open. People will drag you. They will come for what belongs to them. Yes. More than listen, you know, yeah, our sister, our mama sister, Her close relative, now she they call makeup artist, so she refused to call her sister because I told her yesterday, I say, inner car course. Me, I just keep quiet. I know what they do. Not be my mother for years, say, we are approaching December. I just keep quiet. Say, and a year ago, they ask, people, they drag her now, the way she takes scam there for visa. Now, so I go there here. Those half dozen of sardine where she got packed, come from God nowhere. Say they impress on social media. The truth will come out. I said it. This money she don't run come out. Cause they drag her own sister. People where they close to her, they know the truth. How come about 6 dozen of sardine where she pack come out? Half dozen, I mean to say. Half dozen is 6. Oh, she don't run come out. Guilty conscience won't kill her. She not get peace. Your ways. Your truth, your shame and disgrace, it will continue to ring bells, social media disgrace. Your shame and disgrace, you are too fake. Everything about you is fake. Please, guys, listen to this.
She's a makeup artist in Obeji. I'm using this video to tell her that if she thinks that God did not exist, God exists. When I put to bed, it's not the day I announced to the world that I've...
Please, guys, I will play it off first before we analyze this video. Let me play it off first because she might go and rush and delete it because I didn't download it. Let me play it off first. Just listen from the beginning to the end before I start to analyze this video. I won't talk on it again. Let's just listen.
That I put to bed. Some days later, that is the word that I've put to bed, that I put to bed. Some days later, that is when we announce it, because 3 of my children, 2 are in incubator, and 1 is in, after when the 2 in incubator comes out, 1 again enter blue light. Which is jaundice. So I don't want to lose my children. I don't have the strength. Seeing that I have 6 babies, but the other ones are not with me yet. They are incubator because of their hearts, and they put this thing in their nose, something like this thing for oxygen. I don't know how they call it, and I cannot stand up. It's my husband that is going to check, and the rest, until they are fit to hold, then they bring them to us. Then we are there jubilating. Before we know, after the test, they said they want to put the other one before in a blue light for jaundice. Even Deborah also, they still put her in a jaundice this thing. So when we announce it, my daughter, step sister, I don't know if it is true. My daughter announced it, and in her father's side, everybody is aware of it. So 3rd day, I was in my private ward there. I was told that somebody's looking for me. Who is that? I say, Missa. I say, Missa. I did not call her and tell her that I've put to bed. I did not discuss anything with her. How did she know? And how did she come to this hospital? Listen to me. This video might be a little bit long, up to 10 minutes. How did she know this hospital and come here direct? So, Missa, I'm doing this video to let you know how heavy my heart is, that you offend me, you offend my children, you offend my family, you offend every woman with what I want to say. All women that is searching for fruit of the womb, you offend them. This person in question also, she's a searching mother. She wants to become a mother again like me. I still allow her. I did not embarrass her that I don't want to see her. They should allow her to go. I don't know. I don't invite. I didn't call her. I allow her. She come. Because visiting hour is just 30 minutes. So after she greets you, want to touch my children, I say, no, don't touch them. Because they are still fragile, they've not immunized them yet. Don't touch them. You want to carry them because me, I cannot stand up now. If they are crying, we have to ring on the nurse bed to come and help. So I said, leave, nurses are coming. And she went and sit down. She asked me this insignificant question that he used the security to ask me. I did talk this video now, me miss and no say me and I go shook leg for one trouser. I wish she end up for that place for good. I can't answer. Ye kag baby ye she. Ye ma kag baby ye nike shita bagbe balare. That is in my mind. I just look at her, I laugh. The meaning of what she asked me if I carried the pregnancy or somebody carried it for me. A makeup artist. She's just a family makeup artist. She's the one who make up me in my marriage. And during my marriage, I was pregnant 4 months. And after the marriage, I lost that baby when the baby is 6 months in my womb. And she make up me. She's the one who make up me in my introduction. She's the one who make up me in tradition. She's the one who make up me in white wedding. She's the one who make up me in Thanksgiving. I gave her the full contract. Not knowing that I'm dealing with devil. Because if she gathered such heart to come and ask me, she know I'm pregnant. She know. Even though I'm being mute with this pregnancy, there are people around me who know I'm pregnant. People that go to the same church that I'm going, they see me. If I go to market, people see me. If I go to see one of my sisters that call her my mother in Ubeji, people see me. She knows I'm pregnant. And then she come to ask me that insignificant question. She did not end it there. That's why I'm calling her out now. I don't want to put a picture on this video because I know law. I'm a law person. I know law. I won't put a picture here, but I'm calling her name. Misa, a makeup artist in Ubeji. She did not end it there. She went to she went and make some requirement in the hospital. If I'm the one who carry it, they need to challenge her and say, this patient you are talking about is a patient I did a procedure for. A patient I monitor till she put to bed, so she will not lose her life. A patient, my own patient, you are asking me this type of question. Do you want more about yourself? You are supposed to be struggling for yourself, Sister Misa, not me, Remo. Sister Misa, this thing when you do so, I they do this video. You see me, I said they call you sister now. Because now the way they bring me up, they respect. This thing when you do so, all mothers will fight you. Since you people don't want me to rest, I just put to bed. You people are still disturbing me. Motherhood, that blood that was poured in my head, that I poured in the head of my children, will judge you. And every other women saying outside there, am I breastfeeding? Am I the one who have the children? No, come into my house and look my breast if I'm breastfeeding or not. Or come and carry my children. I don't know why my own is so painful to you people. It shows that you people are the devil incarnate that don't want me to have children. But good things will never exist in your life. Sister Misa, I release this on you. Celebration will never exist in your life. For you to be doing this to me, you will experience hatred. You will experience disappointment, failure, everything about your life. You will experience disgrace. Sister Misa, you will not know peace. Since you say me and my children should not have rest of mind, you are going to hospital to confirm if I'm the one who carry pregnancy. When you see me, you know I'm pregnant. You see me with my pregnancy. It shows that you are even in wish disturbing me when I even lost my baby after you make up me in my marriage. All the tears before you see me coming out to make this video, I'll be crying. I don't call people out on video. I don't like it. I don't call people out. If you call me out on, if I do anything, you tell me fine, we'll sort it out. But if you call me out on video, know that the battle line has been drawn between me and you. What do I mean? That I will give you chance. I don't want any such accommodation. But Sister Misa, you see you, See, my papa people now talk and say, although boa damia diribo, she baka mumiaka mogolo. Ni tere, in case it tere, we were you golo mo, we are rooming mo. Except you ask God for forgiveness. Or for makan way, or matoba to barame, or for one listen. If what they sweet you, when they reach my testimony and my grace, when they give you it so, it goes stop. I don't get time, I'm not a trouble person. Anybody can make mistakes. I can make mistakes. I can do things at times that maybe I don't know that the way I put it is wrong. I always say I'm sorry and I learn. When people are insulting me, that is where I learn. I always learn. I'm not a trouble person, but since you are looking for me, you will get it. Sister Misa, I will not end it here. No. For you to come to the hospital when you meet me in the bed, ask me that stupid question, and I keep you quiet. I talk to you normal. You still went as far going to the clinic to confirm. I'm coming for you. I'm really coming for you. I will make this video about you until your husband will see it. Your husband will see my video and know that it's very good for somebody to marry a woman who will not lose hope and push until children be at home. You will see it. Thank you very much, ma, for all your movement. I've seen it, I've heard it, I've observed it. Please, my people, drop your opinion on the comment section. If this video I did, if you don't like it, let me know in the comment section. I will delete it. If you have your opinion, put it on the comment section. I will learn from comment section. Thank you very much and God bless you all.
Make una see oh. Una know why I just hold on, made this. Please thumbs up this video, guys. Una know why I just hold on, made this video play finish. Because we speak. I want to show una something. Please, guys, thumbs up this video and help me share it. Okay? Leave your opinion. You see, why I just allow this video to play before I will lose this video. I just allow it to play because as we speak, I want to quickly show you guys something. Few minutes ago, let me show you guys. 24 minutes ago, the moment disgrace, this notorious scammer, saw that I am doing video about the video she dropped 3 hours ago. Okay, it's not 4 hours ago. This is the video I just finished playing. As we speak, she have run to delete it. She have run to delete it. She have deleted this video as we speak now. Look at it. She dropped this video 4 hours ago, but as we speak, she don't run go delete her. The moment she sees, say, I am talking about the video. I want to analyze the video. Look at what she wrote. 24 minutes ago. I hope you guys can see it. She said, good morning to all my family. I respected you all. I respected you all a lot since you demand that I should delete the video and forget about that woman. I have deleted it and I am done. Thanks. She wrote to go and delete this particular video I just played now. This video I just played now is not on our wall again. 24 minutes ago. But because I already start playing the video is still on for me. But she have quickly run to delete it. Because on this video, what I said yesterday, I said na year ago day, the truth about half dozen of sardine where she pattern, take content, make noise on social media. The truth go come out because she's so fake. Everything about this notorious scammer is so fake. Everything about her is fake. I say, now here we go day. People go begin drag her. How come about how she take put those children together where she go buy for markets? The truth will fall out. I said it yesterday. I said, now from our inside house, they get my informants. Now they get my information. And this morning, 3 hours ago, she quickly rushed out to come and drag her sister. This person she's talking about now. This woman is her sister. That she turned to a makeup artist. Is her sister. Her sister. Her sister. Her mind, that little mind, they tell her, say, I've been at this one. They don't go contact mommy love. Hey oh, this sister where she go buy. So, I bet they go contact mommy love. Her mind, they beat her. She don't even know who is who around her. She doesn't even know who is who around her. Now, small, I just talked yesterday, say, now, year ago, they not me go announce to the world, say, see, wait, see, how she take buy children, how she take put all those children, all those sardines put together. Not be me go announce her. Patient is good sometimes. The way that they drag Ghana for more than people, 500 million, where she scammed a lot of people for visa. The way everything they come at now, the partner, people, person where partner with in the crime, that one they drag Ghana to make she reform people money. Now yeah, I go see they. Those children, how she take gather them together, how she take bring them together, how she take buy them. Now here we go. The whole thing go they fly for social media. Now I go see comment analyzer. That's the way it go be. That's the way it go be. So this video as we speak, she don't wrong kitty because if you look at it, now only will not get sense, not go understand this video. Now only will not get common sense, not go understand this video. She don't they use style confess. Una say I know they breastfeed. Come my house, come see whether they breastfeed. Me, I beg my lovely people, me, I be mother of 4 by the grace of God. 4 times now I go labor room. Twins not there among my children. 4 times. At least I'm an experienced woman. Many of you that are watching or that are out there, you are mothers. You got experience as well. Okay? You got told that they fire you, Joe. Wait till they worry. Will you get out of from here? Leave that woman now. You the Chris. You know, yeah, this the same the idiot how they scam people around. How people are crying. Are you deaf? You the Chris? Leave who? Told that they fire you there. Come on, get out from my live stream, idiot. So as I was saying, this scammer, as I was saying, I remember where I was. This idiot, notorious scammer, at least we don't born. E.g. me, I'm a mother. I'm a mother. I don't go labor room 4 good times. Woman where you born, if you see her, you go know her. Woman where carry belly for 6, if you see her, you go know her. Woman where born, where born, whether you breastfeed, you not breastfeed, if you see her, you go recognize her. Woman where born, your breast, the way your breast not go, your men like normal, like when you never born. When you born, when woman newly born, your breast go, it go heavy. You go make because it go double. Your breast go double, it go heavy. All the air, all the top, all this top go make it go hair. Bini go say all hair. It go hair. The symptom of woman give birth not that this scammer body. It not give birth nothing. Don't be deceived. I posted some stuff. How they wear pregnancy. If there are injection you can take, she taking it. There are injection you can take. Who is calling me now? Oh, I can't pick the call. I am using my phone to live stream. I'm sorry. I will decline. I can't pick the call. I'm sorry. I'm using the phone. Woman where born, my people, if they see her, the signs must they say this one newly born. No single sign. The day where this was even claim say they discharge her. All these things now arrange. All those hospital arrange children for top of her body for hospital. All those one are arrange. You heard what she said. Not be the day where she born. Now they are now say she born. They have to put everything together. They have to make all the arrange to make it real, to make it look real. You heard that not be the day where people feel say she born, where they not be the day. She said it that not be the day where they announce say she born, not be that day she born. She even born to start with. She even born. I pray. Eh? If disgrace, normally disgrace na person will get big belly. Now get or she take they get them together. If disgrace even get one pregnancy belly. Eh? It get one pregnancy where she get, I think it was 2019. That belly, that she born the picking, bye. Only one pregnancy, if you see the way the belly big, the belly long. She belly long. Not to talk of 6. She claims she carries 6 baby. 6. Are you kidding me right now? Belly be like belly when they take where you know even one baby pregnancy even supposed to be passed like that. Hey, these signs are not there. Somebody say even the belly too small for 6 babies. Okay. The sign say woman newborn, he not their body at all. If you pay attention all the video where she they post about the sardine, where she buy from market is half dozen of sardine. I call that sardine. Yes. If you look at her so filiboto, she ain't not even her breast. If woman will get belly, you see all this her neck, it go hair, all this top of her breast go heavy. You go they gather. The moment you breastfeed children, before you know, when you breastfeed children, before you know, don't know that's why don't born. You guys can relate. You guys can testify of what I'm saying. If woman really go through labor, born picking, now you don't breastfeed picking, on that 20-30 minutes, your breast don't gather again, don't full. It don't full again, don't the heavy. No signal of this also born picking. He not born no picking. But when me with some me and she and my enemy be friend, because I will not say me and her. Me, when her and my enemy be friend, I know the move where she take. I know the plans. I know the extra mile she goes for picking matter. I know. So, person not go describe this notorious criminal to me. No. Nobody know her. As in, no, that is the way I tell know her, eh? No, all this monarchia, they nothing know her like that. Now me know her in total. What she can do, what she cannot do. Now me know her. She not born nothing. I said na year ago. I talk yesterday. I said na year ago day. Where the truth, as they drag her for people where she scam with visa now. Na year ago day where those half dozen of children, how she take put them together, where she take make the arrangement, how she take buy them. Now here we go, they go open. Now yesterday I talk her. Now she run come and call the drag her sister. Her sister. This one her sister. She they drag. She call turn her to makeup artist. The woman they do makeup, but not be really makeup artist like that. This person she drag. So now sister and mama side, they are close first cousins. Now they be. That she's not referring to as a maybe not just outsider. She's a makeup artist. As we speak, disgrace run. Don't go delete this video. Thank God for the video sit there here for me. Because I don't already click in. That's why the video. Anything will make me come up for here now. This video is gone. Because she have already deleted it. Guilty conscience. Guilty conscience. Good morning, mommy love. Good morning, my darling. Even myself, I am so surprised because that belly does not look like where 6 children will be. Oh, now I say that we have fake pregnancy. The way go match your color, go be your skin type. Stage by stage, 3 months on day, 4 months on day, 5 months on day, 6 months on day, 7 months on day. Accordingly, I posted all those things. For people to open eye, make the why say all that glitter is not good. Don't be moved by crowd. Don't be moved by everybody go pack head, go on side. At least be smart. Smartness is good. Smartness, they're good, my people. This breast way don't take injection in the past. May her belly they swell up, may her body they swell up. Just she was making arrangements with one guy in Benin. Wait. She gave that girl some millions. Say, She give her deposit, say me she carry belle. She go buy her. Person where me know in total. I wanna describe this notorious for me. Me, mommy love. For the first person keep quiet, not me say person like me not know waiting day. No, this one now where she dey fake friendship for where she not even like. Now she dey impress. Not be person like me. Not be person like me because I know I go reach she say anyash. If you say who know for social media, more will leave people where they close to her now. For worry there. I know this motherfucker. I know her. I know her. I say now inside people where they dine, they eat and dine with her. Now they give me her information. That last 2 years when she announced pregnancy, when she they put something for belly. Now when she go, God, when she go carry something for belly, she can't go Zimbabwe, she can't forget to put something for belly that period. Now I come screenshot and say, where the belly you will say you want to deliver last year, August. Where the belly? She forget, but the way she got Zimbabwe, because Africa country she dey rich. She can't forget to put something. Now I screenshot the belly say, previous video before you travel go Zimbabwe, your belly big. You almost the touch ground. You put something. How come the thing come flat for you now? I know what this notorious criminal is capable of. She's capable of any dirty, dangerous, devilish desperation. She's capable of all. She is capable of all. May I read in a comment, my lovely, amazing people. Please thumbs up this video. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Help me to thumbs up the video. Yeah? He say, Kano say, only your mouth only your mouth alone fit give this woman heart attack. Because she knows say I know her. Now yesterday I thought say, now inner coco they give me a download, her information. Now she runs come and now they drag her sister. If that one come out for her now, she go run enter us. People where around that know the truth. People where around her know the truth. Her mouth not they close. She's the lazy type. Her mouth not they close, but she go forget body. And people around that, they hate her so much that they cannot even keep her secret for her. Never. Me, I know, I want get patient. I don't want break any. I don't want give her out what I get. Or what I know. Or what you understand. What they my possession about this notorious. Concerning the half dozen of Sandy where she departed the impress on social media. Now patient I go get. Now here I go day. People where children where she buy with money, by the time those people start requesting more, they go gas. Not be people they drag her now. People where she scam with visa. Not be they drag her now. MC Flex the way do advertisement for her, make she take get a lot of victims to scam. Not be they drag her now. Now here I go see day. People where she buy half dozen of Sandy from go see come and they drag her. Yeah. Money no they cover people mad for forever. When I even hear when she even say she even go do surrogates. Now so they not let her know the person where be the surrogate person where one carry the pregnancy. I said this woman there is nothing she cannot do when it comes to she's so desperate. She can go any length. She's so desperate. Mommy love, when I listen to this video, this morning, I know say secret go soon come out. Thank you. Now patient we go get. Now just matter of time. As we speak now, she run. Kitty kata kata. Video where she dropped 3 hours ago is already 4 hours already. She run go the later. They say, my family, they will advise me. Nobody advise her. The moment she see me, I come live, I they address the video. Now she run go the later. She don't know say me now. I don't even download the video. I'm supposed to download that. But thank God say I don't already click the video they play. That's why I still get on for here. If I log out from here now, this video is gone because she have already deleted it. Go to her wall, you will not see the video there again. She's already deleted her. But indirectly, she have come to confess. Even her own sister say, even the clinic, where even people where even know the clinic could not even keep the secret for her. There are evidence. The clinic could not even keep the secret for her. All those arranging, they can't carry all those sardines around her body for inside hospital bed. Nah, arrange you hear she not be the day when she born. Not be the day when they announce say she born, not be that day she born. She even born to start with. It was all arranged. You sure? You can pay any clinic. When you don't make your arrangement, you don't collect here, collect picking here, collect picking here, collect picking here. You say, I better make a reef for me, make a bad day side bed. I say, this, when I arrest disgrace for Bini, disgrace fit drip for hand, fake drip for hand, take on station. Take on station, say she know where, she na admission, she for they come from. Where did this notorious thief no fit do not day in existence? She's so notorious, criminal. She sees fake drip, use sellotape, plaster her dry hand, carry the other one chook for inside nose, carry a constation. Say, no admission. She's an actress, a criminal, a terrible criminal. None of the see so. A terrible criminal. Disgrace, I want to ask you one question. Swear, say all those sardines, those half dozen of sardines, you know, say you have to collect and plenty so that you go impress social media, so that you go impress mommy love, especially me way inside. Swear, say, oh, Jeff for spam, dare any of those children. Use those children head to swear. Say, oh, Jeff for, lock your Jeff for spam, dare any of those children. Say, now, Jeff for spam, dare those children body. Now, I produce those children, swear. I don't know why you know they fear God. You just go buy half dozen of sardines just to come and impress those people on social media because you know a lot of women are out there that are so desperate to have children. So you can scam them. Different things now they come out to scam people. You not get conscience. You not get one conscience. You know the shame. Disgrace. Why you not going to delete this video? When I y'all talk yesterday, your mind, you not sleep. You say you have been crying, and your tears will forever be your portion because you have caused a lot of people pain. You not go no peace. If you like, go market, do RNG, pay women money, make they get pregnant, do RNG, make they take get pregnant, make they sell picking for you. Buy 100 children, it will not still give you happiness. I want to give you happiness. Happiness is far away from you, as far I'm concerned. As far God is on the throne. God that seeth everyone in their secrets, knows everyone's heart. God knows that you are evil and you are a destroyer. God knows that your peace can never be there. If you like, buy anything buyable. Not be bad to impress people. Are you happy? Are you having peace of mind? Upon all you buy half dozen of sardine, but the peace is still not there. You say you cried. You cried. Something when I just talked yesterday, you don't come and come drag your sister. Your mind they tell you say that one give me the information. How you say pack half dozen. He said not be the way she born. The way not be the way they announced, not be that day she born. They have to arrange it to make it look real. This notorious criminal begin to take injection where go make her legs swell up just to prove a point. Before she even claimed say she born deceased sardine, she was doing video to show her leg just to convince people saying that she born. But she can't make mistake. But she don't know where she made mistake. You know so it's not genuine. You know your feet do make it perfect. Error must be somewhere for people who are sharp to tell know what's up. Me in a caucus. Wait, close to her. Now they'll give me her information. Inner carcass. That's why I talked her yesterday. Now she come at this morning, come they drag her own mama sister. First cause is for her mama side. She come they drag that one. The clinic, she said that one go they find information. They ask the clinic where she for do her and she say she born. You know, say the clinic, they're not even. The workers in the clinic don't even keep a secret. They know. You know Nigeria that they can they can talk. They go talk. They can talk for Africa. Nigeria, they know it to be privacy. Nigeria don't really know it to be privacy. Now, those among the nurse, among the workers, go say, that woman, she just came and come and lodge in our hospital for 1 week. And then she started, look at how she brought all this baby together and claiming she put to bed, whereas nothing, you know that we talk. That her sister, when say go clean, go ask now. They don't even keep the secret for her. A lot of people heard it. In that worry, no, they worry will not know the secret. He remain one. He remain one. She want to press social media. As she they come out, they use the sister. They prove a point. Now some people they look at the points. No, say this one not the one she did. She they deceive herself. She say she they deceive people. People are mocking her. So say, we know your truth. I beg go sit down for one night. She go chop money tire this period. This half does the way she go buy. They impress social media. She go use her and chop a lot of gullible women where won't carry the fruit of the womb. She go use her and scam the entire. They know the story. They know the story. They know the story. They even they mock her for back saying, you see this one. Outside that they don't even know what's in there. No, but not be person like me, oh. Not be person like me. Me, I not be outsider. In that course, now they load me information. They send some kind of things to me. Me, now patient I go get, I go wait. Now, by the time the whole thing goes set, not be visa, where people where she use visa scam, not be the drag and put now. Not be the person where help and do have that one the drag and join so. Now so I go see day. Now so I go see the jelly, this half dozen of sardine where she come out from nowhere. Una not get, only they look those children where more not gonna see what me they see. Even apart from so, una not get it, una not know it in day. Fine, una believe what una see for social media. Una not go look down where those children. Una look them where. Disgrace, come swear, say lock your Jeffo. Your boy, where you use your money, marry, put for inside house. Where they use money, scam people say they use the money to they impress. Come swear, say, is spam produce any of those children? Come and swear. Come and swear on your life. Say it's spam. See, with time, we go ask you DNA. With time, you go provide DNA. You never know the one you did. You never know the one you did. Notorious scammer. Shameless scammer. Unrepented devil. Unrepented evil scammer. Notorious one as that. I have the experience once with my ex-wife. There is one injection and water that she is always taking every morning that make her belly big. She looked pregnant then, not knowing that she is lying. Okay? She is lying to me. Oh God, oh, hey. I'm not going to lose this video for now. My hand be double exit. Okay, let me read this comment again. I have the experience. Some people don't know. These things, oh my God. It is well. I won't blame people that much. You don't know, you don't know. If you don't know, you don't know. Okay, let me read this comment from this our brother Kano. Say, I have Carol. This is network, oh. Please bear with me. I hope we are back now. It's network. Okay, let me read this comment quickly. Say, I have the experience once with my ex-wife. There is one injection and water that she is always taking every month. Guys, it's network. Oh, more than not verse, I beg. I don't change position. I don't get off for best. That's for chair because of the network. All right. Carol said, Ruben, he said, I have the experience once with my ex-wife. There is one injection and water that she is always taking every morning that make her belly big. She looks pregnant then, not knowing that she is lying to me, deceiving me that she is pregnant. God used someone to expose her for me. Okay. For me. I'm coming. For me, please, I have the experience already. So it's not a new to me again. Her woman, okay? Now it's an injection day. That period, she was not showing her leg just to convince people. Oh, what can I take for this, my leg? Oh, any advice? Oh, she was just preparing the whole RNG down to make it look real. To make it look real, by all means. Injection day. If you want your belly to be swelling up, Thank God for this man that just leave the comment here. And many people don't know say these things they exist. Injection day. If you want me your leg, they swell up. If you want me your breast, they heavy like woman will get belly. All your body go change. In the injection day. Water, they're gonna pump the water for your body. They're gonna pump the water. It's gonna make your body swell up. Gonna make your body swell up. Make una take a close look at disgrace. This one resemble woman where they breastfeed. This one resemble, see her breast now. It resemble woman where even born newly. It resemble. Now they see this video now she don't go wrong the later mo. She don't go wrong the later. Now they see women where don't born. The symptom not there, but the one day. It not day. God go bless you, go. God go bless you. Ugo said, the kids are different one. They don't look alike, like for where? For where? For where? I say we dey here. We dey here. There is no smoke without fire, guys. There is no smoke without fire. She can fool some people, but she cannot fool everybody. Me, especially me, where y'all know her. Wella. Not be yesterday, I say, inner carcass, they download her information. Say time will come. How should they put those sardines together? Can't say you press social media. I say it go come out. Now here we dey now. Secret not go cover forever. That's just the thing you guys need to know. Mima Victory, good morning, my darling lady. You not go cover forever. The symptom of person he give birth, you know their body. He not there. Out of talk, she even make a comment that people thought say she not they breastfeed. Now so Philipot where they line up. Where they line up. Now she they give the sardines where they drink. You never see disgrace come out, use cloth cover the top of her breast, carry breast put for pick. As I talk, and I go by force the breast for their mouth. Whereas nothing is coming out. As I talk now, because my own word, she know now authentic, now accurate. Me, I be like person they live inside her house. Because that are people that are close to her. That they load me her information. Inner carcass. Since disgrace claims say she born. Suppose born. Now don't see and say they do video, she cover top of her breast, put breast for any of the sardine mouth for where the breast they come from. As I talk now, she go do amo. Even though nothing is coming out, she'll go back first the breast, put for one of the sardines mouth. Because mommy love talk. You know, truth is bitter. Truth truth is really bitter. She go one do and I can't do video of 3 minutes by first breast for one of the sardine mouths to prove a point. Oh, Baba. Let's listen to this video. She have deleted this video, guys. Let's listen to this video again, so we can analyze it bit by bit. I don't want to go out of this video because the moment I go out, because the video is gone, she have deleted it. So I still put it hanging on here because I've already clicked in before she went to go and delete. That's why I still have it. She have gone wrong to go and delete this video as we speak. Let's analyze it.
That's Grace Ojefo, the General Overseer of Solutioners of God Ministry, aka You Must Be Pregnant.
Okay, hold on. Mommy love, please, as a mother that you are, please, in the name of God, have mercy on this lady. I am not her fan, but at least she have children that we call her mommy. Even if she kids are not her, my friend, my lady, I beg. What do you mean leave this lady? You know they hear the new updates. Say she has scammed people more than 500 million with visa recently, as we speak. That the person that even did adverts for him to get more clients, to get more victims to scam. That one is already crying out, begging the whole Nigeria, crying out for help that the money she scam people is too much. What do you mean leave this woman? My lady, you were polite in putting your nonsense comment, but I will just try to be polite as well. Because the way you use the word please, I will just, that's why I will just overlook this your comments. But the comment is rubbish. It's bias. You know, this your comment is bias. Do you know the pain this idiot has caused people? I should leave her onto what? I don't get it. Onto what? What did all the word when they talk since China I speak? Not be broken English and correct English and they mix together, they speak for years since. You not get understanding. Let me not be harsh on you, because you were also polite in putting your comment that does not make sense to me. So let me just also be polite responding to you. Now they make people like una make Nigeria condemn rich like the way it be so. Una go see evil, una go they pet evil, una go they package evil. Now people like una make that country Japaru as it is so. Because the truth, una know they get boldness to talk on. People like una where they pet evil. Now make Nigeria, we are still backward for that country today. People like una, we go see evil. See, when you see evil, call it evil. Don't romance around evil. Don't call evil good. Bible saying in the book of Isaiah, say one thing that we call good evil. That we call evil good. My lady, please. Please, I beg. Let me just be calm anyway. Because you were not harsh in putting your nyama comment, so it not make sense to me. But let me not also be harsh to you. But please. If you see truth more, they call a spade a spade. Please. It's too much. Many people in this woman don't scam. So almost 2 years now take call awareness, bring evidence, expose this woman. She's still doing upon doing. People actually scam. They not be people family member. They not be people children. What do you mean? Please stop it. Stop it if you don't have boldness to speak the truth. I got boldness. I don't fear any idiot, any motherfucker. This idiot threatening me not to enter Nigeria. I didn't know that she have gone to report my account. She know how much I have in that account because, you know, she went to go and block my account. And I got her arrested. She felt, oh, I don't know her new house because when I went to Nigeria, then she was in tenants in 2-bedroom flats. She felt the recent house I not go know her. But it's surprised I take go all the way from abroad to Lagos, from Lagos to Benin, from Benin to Warri, go arrest her. This criminal. Me, I don't see any motherfucker, yeah? I don't. When I see evil, I call it evil. I don't call it good. When I see evil. No. No. Okay? So let's listen. Please, my lady, I beg, not vex. If I shout on you, you caused it, but please don't say that next time. Allow me, okay? And her daughter is saying, my mother give me the best gifts this year. Can you imagine? Before Uncle, what do you expect? Now so now. Now social media show off now. Mommy love, good morning, long time. Good morning, my darling lady. Oh dear. I greet you. Even when I saw the pictures of her carrying the babies on hospital bed, I just laugh because a woman that gives birth newly with operation will not be able to carry 5 babies on her stomach like that. My husband was like, she is lying, okay? That's why you when they really operate. Don't you arrange sardine? See sardine for her chest, for her body, everywhere. Now arrange. You hear this video now say, will not be when she claims say she born, not be she born. They have to wait for days. Oh yeah, you bring 2 from this side. Oh yeah, carry one where you born, come. Carry this one, come. I say she buy. Now my mouth no one for years. Say now October without day. Say the year is about to end. Now my mouth. I bet more than leave matter for matter. You're so jarry. People like us, we are too wise. Apart from me getting information right from inside our house. But I'm smart. I am smart. Even though you are not in my position to get raw information, but at least with your eyes, read the handwriting now. Come on, look those children well and tell me what you see. Look them very well, look them closely, one after the other. Tell me what you are seeing if you are smart. I beg you, Jerry. Not today. Not be disgraced when he follow me do friends for 4 years. Not be disgraced when I know again where he mouth wide. Where not even keep her secret not to talk of she go keep another people. I beg leave matter, Jerry. Please don't get me wrong. I am not in support of her. Scamming people. I am only talking about the kiss for the sake of motherhood. Okay, my lady. I'm not angry, okay? I'm sorry if I was harsh. Alright? But both her and the kiss not really get anything in this. They're not getting anything. They are innocent. Okay? The kiss were bought with a lot of money that she scammed people with. She used it to bought them. They are innocent of this. You are right. Okay? But the way you put it, like, oh, I should let her be and all of that, that's what got me a little bit angry. But okay, if I reacted so harsh, I'm sorry. Okay? Jessica, Annie, I am sorry, my lady. Okay? But please, let's call a spade a spade. When we see evil, let's call it evil. So that people will know. Alright? Please, 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 my lady. I'm sorry, okay? So let's go. Let's listen to this notorious. This video now, she don't delete it. I told you guys she have deleted it. After I analyze this video finish. I go come out, sign out from here, go back again. You say that video not there. This particular video not there again. She don't go wrong. The moment she see me live, she don't run go till later. This one a confession. See her breast. This one a breast way of woman when newly born. Breast where your fall inside brosasso. Woman when newly born, breast must sleep like that. It go be like new girl when newly they get breast for chest. Everything go gather, it go heavy. I'm a mother now. Eh? People get eye, don't they even see. Don't they even see the fakeness all around this notorious criminal. Eh? Let's go, let's play it.
I will say I've been crying.
Now cry go by you till you die.
For some days now, I've been crying. The reason why I'm crying is that...
Not the only days you'll take cry. You will cry for the rest of your miserable life. Disgrace. Because people that you have scammed, they are also crying. The God that created those people you scam will not allow you to know peace. You will never know peace. You will cry forever. Buying children could not even give you laughter. You see? You say you will be crying. You will be crying. There is no peace for the wicked. If you like, go market where they say picking, buy all the children where they there. Use people money where you scam, say buy all the children where they all this world. The one where you fit buy for inside though. Minus my children. Minus good people where they are children. The ones where you fit buy. Because on guys in Nigeria, a lot of people are capable of doing anything. Not people see bomb picking where go show one for inside river where they rescue and get one video when I see for social media. The girl born finish, small girl. He born finish go show one for river. Time go say one man was standing by at along the road. Saw the woman throw the baby inside the river. The man quickly jumped inside the river and rescued the baby. That kind girl now see who give her common 2 million to say, oh yeah, sell her. He go sell her. He go happily sell her. So that is the country Nigeria country we are living in. Or those of you, some of you are living in. It's my country. I'm also living there even though I'm not there. You understand? People can do anything in Nigeria so far as money. They can do anything. And this criminal is capable of all. She's capable of all. Please, guys, thumbs up this video for me, please.
Give me the ability to jubilate over my enemies.
Who give you the ability to jubilate over your enemies? Eh, disgrace. Eh? So now jubilate over your enemies. Now make you go buy half dozen for markets, for different places. Come to the impress on social media. You want prove a point. Say you jubilate over your enemy. Your enemies, in fact, your enemies will see your end because you are evil. It shall never be well with you. Okay? That woman not born any sis speaking. All those things are just RNG. Only God knows where those children came from. People are not wise. This woman never gave birth to 6 children. Still looking like this. Talk on live video all the time. Even the day when she claims say they discharged her for the RNG clinic. Where they go carry her lie down, arrange the 6 sandy for her body. Like say, hey, I don't understand. It's even with the doing say no, people against it supposed to know say this thing not real. It's not real. You don't see the way she take come down, where they drive, she carry rent in-laws, take come house. You don't see the way she take jump, come down for inside motor. That's the way it born. with oppression. One pikin, you cannot jump like that. Do you know what is called when you born with CS? Those who born with CS, I don't get the experience, but I don't go hospital with friend who born with CS. Now me even sign as a represents husband for her life. Say sign, make the operate the pikin come out. I don't see people who born with CS. How did they be 2 weeks? They know they even they feel they waka straight. They bend waka for good 2 weeks. They know they even feel stand straight body. They go stand bend one kind. They know they feel bath for good 2 weeks. For abroad, where we say they are experts when it comes to oppression. Not to talk of Nigeria. Person where born with oppression. The day when she claimed said they discharged the rich house. The way she when I go watch that video, the way she take jump down for inside car. Person just come and say, ah, mommy love. You know they see what they see. Now say I don't understand what happened. He said this woman a fake. Oh, he said she not born any. No, say that's I beg, leave me. Oh, I don't feel laugh. Just leave me, I beg. Can you imagine? The way she take call down for inside that motor, like say tomorrow not day. She carry one of the sardine for hand, jump down from back of motor. Now I say, eh? Who really born? Even one picking born with oppression, you not go jump down like that, not to talk of sis. Are you kidding me right now? People have eyes, they can't see, they are carried away by what they are seeing outside. Like really? You don't pay attention to things? You don't see handwriting on whatever you're seeing, they are showcasing for you to see on media. At least pay attention. Place close attention to it. For you to know the truth and nothing but the truth. Even without you not having no information, at least with the way things are going, you will know that this one, I bet this one not real. The way this grace take jump with one picking where she carry for hand from back of motor. I say, well, you know, say, waiting fake, you cannot just feed Duam from beginning to the end, make it perfect. No. To start with, no woman go born. Since you don't arrange children for your body, for hospital. All those things, Nigeria, anything can go. Anything can happen. Now your money they talk. Now your money they talk. After the children complete, they bring her complete. She don't buy them complete. She just, oh yeah, Mona, give me bed. I go pay. Oh yeah, arrange the children for her chest, her nyash, her neck, all over the place. Like really? Woman, where to born these children with oppression? I pray, oh, may you feel even rest, may one pikin even feel rest on you. Like really? She was even doing video talking. Oh my, she was trying to fake the voice like she's weak. Oh my people, thank you very much. Even where Enogie, what they call the Enogie caller, where they say that they put copyright. You know, see the way they forge, they fake the talk. You know, see that one even put on for speaker. No symptom of woman give birth in her. Who is deceiving who? Come on, guys. Don't be deceived by everything you see on media. The more you look, the less you see. Believe it or leave it. Even young births, even giving birth to one child, you cannot be like this. Need rest for months, not to talk of 6 children. Oh, take plastic, put her belly, say na pregnancy. This woman is really a joker. Oh. May we listen? Let's analyze before, because you don't already delay this video. Me, thank God, say I don't click in. That's why this video sit there here. I wish I know for download this video. I know even reason now.
I don't know. I want to say something. Some people around me make me to believe that they are the cause why I couldn't have children for all this while. Imagine,
say people around that might be the cause why she not get children all this while. Really? Okay, now the cause of fallopian tube, your womb problem, and all those medical reports, now the cause of your body. Your word not they enter. Your word not they make sense. Disgrace. People close around you, know your shame and disgrace. They mock you. But they come on social media, they try to be relevant with your children when you buy. That's what your maid they do, to go buy children, come to the impress. You won't even buy, you have to buy and plenty to impress mommy love. To tell mommy love, say, hey, hey. But you forgot, say, there's no smoke without fire. One day, your nyash go open. Just the way your nyash don't open in the time past. Just the way your nyash open. They open now, whether they drag you for scam. People, thousands of people will you scam for fake visa. Now, so your nyash go see open for this fake RNG children where you go use your money to buy. You scam people money to buy children. To impress who? To create another avenue to scam people. To scam women where they need of foot of the womb. Journey of IVF. My journey of failed IVF, no part 1. My journey of failed IVF part 2. But when you do this all RNG, you prepare videos down. You send a mount, you go. One pastor, one prophet mountain, I give you the babies. The next you, they tell us the journey of IVF. Which one are we to believe? Which one are we to believe? Now Mounty, now IVF, I be now buy you buy all that to get. Oh, no, look those children where now. I don't want to talk so kind things. Wanna look them where? Color, cause wanna look them where? Those children be like children where one womb carry. Those children look like children where one womb carry. Wanna go look where now? Wanna go look those children where? At least children where one womb carry, they will have something in common. They will look alike. Big kono. Why you're there? Down your fair finish. Down your fair. We are disgrace for see fair picking. Down your be like Oibo. Down your carry my color. Eh? We are disgrace for see. So get old man face. I don't feel laugh. I don't feel like this morning. Ah! Now here we go day. When the truth go the suburb for street of social media. Now time. Now patience will go get. Not be my mouth now for a year. I say inner caucus. Now they load mommy love with information. Now she don't come and call the drag her sister. They call her makeup artist. This one a first cousin to her for her mama's side. Your nyash go open. Say that one can't go clean. Go they confess. And she carry the belly. This one a woman where they enter her house. They die and they eat together. A lot of people when they close to her, they know the truth. Even the clinic could not even keep the secret for her. People have gone there and even have recording about the clinic where she go do this arranging. They even get the evidence from the clinic of arranging. You know Nigeria now. Among workers, you must get the ones where leak, where the amount they leak. Trust some nurse. Trust some nurse now. Trust some. At your own risk. When you go do arranging, you'll say your secret go just stay secure. I pray. Oh. I pray. I pray. Eh? I give birth with CS. It is not easy. Difficult to walk. Okay. Not be I talk. I don't stand with friend. One of my friends, Stella, for Valencia. When she want born, now me sign for her. When she dey labor, now me follow her go hospital because the man will give her belly on liver. Now me sign. Now there I don't witness here because me I never use CS born before. I never even do operation for my life before, and I will never do. I hate operation. I'm the fearful. Me with the fear injection, not to talk of. The God know why. That's why he helped me to deliver all my children with normal delivery. When I followed that my friend go hospital sign, I did there with the operation. Now I said they say make I start. They wear me. We say they wear people for hospital. They say make I start. They operate on her. I was crying. They carry the baby come out. When we reach her, they discharge her after 1 week. She not for good 2 weeks. She know they feed the waka. She know they feed the waka. Now I mean they use towel put water and soap for bucket. Use towel till they clean her body. For good 2 weeks, she not fit bath on her own for bedroom. Now there I know say CS not be person mates. You know easy. Now there I forget the experience. Say this thing the guy be you know easy. Now disgrace you say claim say she born 6 children. The day she claim say that discharge her, she jumped from inside from car back of car, jump with one baby for hand, jump come down. I say, hey, wele, na so. Almost zai. Almost zai, we. Disgrace, fear God now. Because no fear God. Fear God. Your secrets will not be kept forever. It will not be hidden forever. That I can assure you. We there. We are here. We go here, come. No matter of time. No matter of time. She not born anything. Are very correct. You are very correct. Where gets sense? No. She be boys, 2 boys, 3 girls, be 6 for. I not to understand what my lady right on. Please, I want to ask, please, can you born with CS and kneel down after a week? Okay. Prophetess Deborah don't ask question. Why they come? He say, please, I want to ask. Please, can you born with CS and kneel down after a week to greet your spiritual father? Because I don't use CS born before. 1 month, you cannot kneel down. Oh! Prophetess, I first explain as so. Not be like, she should kneel down. Where is it done? You're born with CS. Are you joking now? Guys, all these signs, all these points, who would they bring? So, use your own number system, calculate. And tell yourself the truth. Say, this criminal really born 6 children with her body. She even carry baby at all with her body. Tell me. Person where you see as born, 6 children go lead down, the great person. Are you kidding me right now? It's not done, oh, Prophetess Deborah. My beautiful, adorable lady. It's not done. It's not done. Thank God say, I don't stay with friend. Wait, born with CS, 1 pikin. I know how her condition be. Now me take care of her. Now me stay with her. Take care of her. I know how the day I get that experience because I witnessed some. Don't be say tell me tears you. Me, I not get the experience. I'm not born with CS. But I get friend with born with CS when I take care of. Not to talk of 6 children. She literally dance, say she the great person. After giving birth with CS. Are you guys kidding me right now? Like for real? I say now here we day. Social media. Mezugabe no break down Facebook. We are here. We are here. The truth. No smoke without fire. We there. Yes now. We are here, my lovely people. Time with her. She be big scammer, thief. More confession will soon be out. Grace, oh God, they fear. God, they fear God. Oh, she not they fear God. That's another painful part of it. She not get fear of God because she not even know God. Funny enough, she not know God. Okay, that's her husband way make face like big internet scammer. To thief on my to thief. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's listen more.
Some people around me.
Somebody said, what is wrong with CS? No, there's nothing wrong with CS. Oh. Nobody said anything is wrong with CS. Please listen and listen attentively and get what we are saying here. Me, thank God I didn't give birth to CS. And not anything caused for body. I know they like her. I be person even they fear injection. So me, I really thank God say I give birth naturally. But nothing is actually wrong with CS. There are some people, they will just, once they are pregnant, they will just tell the doctors that, you know what, they will just sign saying that CS daughter born. Because they don't want to go through that labor, that stress. But me, I prefer natural though. But CS, there's nothing wrong. If it's your wish, if you, maybe some people not be their wish, but it happened. They deliver with CS. So it's okay. Wait till important be say you are alive, your baby is alive. Now that one counts. CS, there's nothing wrong with it. That CS actually save a lot of women life. Okay? You never see women go labor, they'll buy white trying to labor and give birth. So there's nothing wrong with it, my lady. I can't take note anybody actually said anything is wrong with CS. For me, there's nothing wrong. Okay? Now what the person wants. Sometimes it's not what you even wish for. A lot of women deliver through CS. They don't wish for her. They don't wish to deliver with CS, but they did. So, but there's nothing wrong. There are some babies where we say they don't go position where the only solution is CS. Then are you going to risk your life because you don't want to do CS? No, you will go for it if there is no option. Why? Why not? There are some people they don't even have complications. They prefer it. So there's nothing wrong. Nobody ever said anything was wrong. But we are just saying the challenges that go with it. When you deliver with even normal birth, I don't know. Normal birth, the moment, for me, or the moment you deliver, you will be fine. It's just that down there, you will feel like, yes, if they cut join your body, or if they can't join your private parts to deliver, you will feel that those tissue, you feel that pain for a few days. If you know how to treat it, sit down on hot water and all of that, do those home treatments. Before you know, under 1 week, you are okay. You even use ante duduvaga. After 1 week, 2 weeks, that make you take, but you use ante, if you even use ante, take your here. But operation, you can't risk it. Oh. CS, you can't risk it after 2 weeks. Say you want duduvaga, you know if you risk it. If, for example, well, nothing is actually wrong with CS at all. Nothing is wrong with it. No. Because that CS does save a lot of women life. Okay? There's nothing wrong with it. Someone will listen.
There was a lady in Ubeji, Warri, Delta State. This lady, when I was working with EGTL, now working in EGTL, anytime I want to go to, anytime I'm on time off, when I come out, I want to go back to work, she will be the one that will make up me.
Mona Delicio, our own sister, first cousin, they call makeup artist. So I they come here, I read this comment. My darling, good morning, my love. Now CS I take born. Let me read that comment quickly. Now CS I take born my son. In fact, I see heaven come back for 3 weeks. I never they waka straight. Oh, no be I talk this. I don't experience space where born with CS. Do you not go feel waka straight? Now disgrace stand. Parakan the leader they greet me go. Like, really? People don't believe everything you see on social media. The more you look, the less you see. Oh, yeah. More we listen.
I want to go to, maybe somebody invites me, because I don't like going to parties and all those things. She will be the one to make up me. I want to go to church, she will be the one to make up me. She's a makeup artist. But the two of us come from the same, she and my mom come from the same community.
You know, the woman don't only come from the same community disgrace. Now your first cousin. Yes, they know you to say the truth go come out to say, I don't carry information put for keep since when she come out with this fake RNG, I born sis, I born enemy. Now disgrace, beauty conscious rush come out because they drag her cousin sister. They address her as if she's an outsider to her. This is her first cousin for crying out loud. Our first cousin. Our mama family side, first cousin. Now she's not like, oh, because people were they close to her know. They know. Even Ojefo is a sadist today. The Ojefo go, they waka go, they go front face, go excuse face. Because the joy, those joy they are faking on media is not real. That one not say all those sardine, half dozen of sardine, not be spam, be a producer. Not be a biological children. Not be biological children they be. He knows. Even of as SARS, even as of say that she scam a lot of people money to go buy those children. But still our joy is still far off. Our joy not there. No joy. Joy far from these people. These couple scammers. Their joy now 0%. They don't get joy. Oh, me I not lose this video today, oh, because she don't delete her. Try. I just can't, guys. Hey, we can't afford to lose it.
Missa, she's a makeup artist in Ubeji. I'm using this video to tell her that if she thinks that God did not exist, God exists.
Disgrace, so you know God exists and you are busy scamming people. You are busy destroying lives. You are busy frauding people. You know God exists. Really? Disgrace. They say talk is really cheap. But your doing shows that you don't even know that God exists. Criminal disgrace. I hope that girl, where you scam 3.5 million, where I played the video yesterday, I'll still complain later. And many more other video. I hope you don't go there. Go refund those people money. Oh. We are coming to that. Me, I not messed up this video too much. We are coming to that.
I put to bed, it's not the day I announced to the word that I've put to bed, that I put to bed.
Do you hear that? She said it's not the day that she announced that she put to bed, that she actually put to bed. What did that tell you? They have to bring those children together from east, from west, from south, from north, and from different places. But then do the RNG on a clinic to say, oh, they're not fine. After they have put everything together, they now announce that, oh, she has put to bed. Whereas it was just all an RNG. They can't pack the children for her body. Person with born with CS, they can't load 6 children on top of her body. Carry camera. They want to impress social media. Another business strategy for disgrace this notorious scammer. She invests to buy those children to prove a point because she's going to gain it back. Through that, a lot of women are going to fall victim. They are going to pump money to her. She's going to use a doctor as an RNG to scam a lot of women that are vulnerable, looking for the fruit of the womb. Yes. Now office she open. She know what she's doing. That's why she make her plenty. Oh, yeah, bring her from east, from west, from north, from south. Oh, yeah, bring her, gather her together. Oh, yeah, arrange her for my chest. Oh, yeah, camera, yeah, action. Action. Wow. Disgrace. When will you repent? What year? When are you going to give your life to Christ? Actually, when are you actually going to surrender? Eh? When are you going to surrender and say, God, I surrender. No more scamming, no more criminality, no more destruction on the life of the people. When? It said not be the day when she claims, say she deliver. Not be that day. They are NASA. They have to take time to bring all those children together. If you take a close look at those children, you see that they are not looking alike. They have different shape. How do I even say it? You will know. Those children were not born the same day. At all. I repeat, they were not born the same day. Those children are not like same place. They are not from one womb. They are not. They are not. If you are not lying, may disgrace go bring DNA of those 6.5 dozen children where she buy. May she bring DNA. Now they see say those children look different. Some go get old man face. Some get old man face. Some one call your fair finish. Now fair person I born that one. Because disgrace and Ojefo, they be da coco, they siewa do, they black, they be blacky. How come so even the children they don't look alike? They don't look alike. They be like, I don't know what I want to describe them to. They don't look alike. Oh. She have to put them together, do and not announce on a particular day. Whereas they were not born the same day. Just to open office for people head for social media to see people scam because people are desperate. They are not from the same mother, of course. Those children, Mona go look very closely. Mona go look unfuna eye sharp. Go you look those children closely and see for yourself. You will know that they are not from the same womb. They were not born the same day. Obviously not. May we listen?
Some days later, that is when we announced it because 3 of my children...
She said days later, before they call announce her, And she was claiming that that day she announced, that is the day she put up. Even the people that was making noise with the fake RNG children that she brought on social media, claiming she delivered. They were saying he born yesterday. I be born that very day. He born. Even there is a video she even said and mentioned that very day. That a day to I be a night that very day that she just delivered. She make people to understand that she just delivered that day. Money of it. Because a day before that day, she was in a car, she took a picture. I know she was doing a video. This girl was doing a video. Then the next day, they announced that she put to bed. And I'm not saying I said that thing, it's not pure. It's not clear. Mago there inside. I say they bring all those children from different places and put together and say, she born. What money cannot do? There's hunger in Nigeria. People are willing to say anything sayable. People are willing. There are people that do that as a business. They do it as a business. Is a business for them. Born and sell. Born and sell. Their womb is to do business for this kind of people. Yeah. Some of them born they throw away. Not to talk of some go even see offer of 1 million, 2 million. They will sell. They will sell. Oh God, then Nigeria goes not be just to carry a 9 month seller. If you want born, you go see if you born in your own later. May you see money to establish. May you see money to start up something. There is hunger in the land. Yeah. Not be the day when she claims say she born. Not be not the year now. You see, these words. If you pay attention to people talk, you go know. Where truth they, where lie they, you go know. People that will say, congratulations, she bought 6 nenemi, she bought 6 sardine, 6 sardine. Were they not saying she just, that day she gave birth? But she's not saying that not be the day when she born. She claims she is supposedly born. Not be that day. She come out to announce. But she herself was lying down in the hospital. I born this morning. God do it. But look at truth is coming out. Truth is coming out. Disgrace is in that using style to confess to us. This is confession.
Two are in a incubator, and one is in after when the 2 in incubator comes out, one again enter blue light. Which is jaundice.
Some come dey occupator, some come dey blue light, some come dey HIV ward, some come dey leprosy ward. Ew, God, I never chop. I don't feel laugh. Oh, oh my God, my belly. Oh, will listen, guys, so I can go.
So I don't want to lose my children. I don't have the strength. See that I have 6 babies, but the other ones are not with me yet. They are incubator because
Naira, she has 6 babies supposedly, but some were not with her. I said they take time gather those children from east, from west, from north, from south to put together. Social media. Now investment now. She scam people to buy children, right? And she have used those children she bought from east, west, and south, north, and all of that to open office for people head. She's not telling people, if you want to get my clinic, my daughter, the clinic, contact me. I will not give it out. You have to come through me, just to have way to scam these people of their money. Just to have way to scam them. Before you know that they contact and I shall begin to brainwash them. And before you talk to the clinic doctor, before I take you, bring 2 million. To know that you are serious. Deposit 2 million. She'll begin to wind them. Desperado women that's really desperate, they will fall. They will fall. woman where they look for people
of their hearts, and they put this thing in their nose, something like this thing for oxygen. I don't know how they call it. And I cannot stand up. It's my husband that is going to check and the rest. Until they are fit to hold, then they bring them to us.
Until they were fit to hold. Some were even premature. Until they were fit to hold. Before they now bring the children to them. She's using, this is pure, this is confession now. Some were not with them. Some were brought later. Some were in HIV ward. Some were in blue hap. Some were in red hap. Some were in occupator. Some were in... Shoo! My lady Susan said, those children were more than 3 months and 2 months. Oh. Some look more like recently they just born now, maybe weeks. Some be like 3 months, baby. Some be like, you know, they see them. You know, they see them. When I go take a close look to those half dozen of sardine where she pack come at.
We are there jubilating before we know. After the test, they said they want to put the other one before in a blue light for jaundice.
After they rejoice, then I said they want to put the baby 4 in blue lights. Who shall call it blue light again? They don't put her for yellow light, red. What about red lights? If not red light, that one a shower kobo. They don't put her. Baby 4 na girl, be na boy. Disgrace. They don't put her for red light, not the only blue lights. They don't put her for red light, make the shuku. Ashawo ni yeah. Shower kobo. He said that blue lights. What about red light? What about red light ni? Ew, no can't lose this video today. Oh, ew, wahala. What about what about blue light? Because she don't delay the video. Anything will make me come on for here and the video is gone. Since when people started hiding daughters, Africa, some of you people will never change. Oh. Now where to scam the access to scam the ni? It's in a blue light. What about red light? Green light, okay? Or where? What about the next you wear in your head that very day, as if is that day you give birth? Oh, because you carried the children in your belly to take picture. I don't really understand. Now fake pregnancy, she wear all those silicone pregnancy. It them I want, I post her now to make people understand the trick. I post her silicone. Your skin type color there are different sizes, different colors. Silicone. I go show you just now for my video. Silicone. I posted it that time. Silicone pregnancy day. And the pregnancy where she go wear, it not fit into big, not big enough to look real. Say, now really sees baby that belle carry. She if they forgive her bigger one, may she wear. Say do baby, wait till I call her. Baby shower, be what she do. But she go wear normal pregnancy size weight of one baby, of one baby. Disgrace where we say normally she get big tummy. She don't dress for my present when I go Nigeria for worry. Her belly big now, different. She dey wear reach 4 ghetto to take package her belly if she want dress. Now she can't claim say she born 6 children, belly small. When she claims say she dey born 6 children. Who is fooling who? Disgrace, you are fooling yourself. Now here we go there where your nyash go open with evidence, with proof. No worry. Now just little time remain. Now little time now remain.
So even
the clinic, they are not even keeping their mouth shut where she for do the arranging. Funny enough, they are not keeping quiet at all. See confession now. Wow, for this woman Grace. Oh, what about the? Okay, I've read that before. Let's listen, guys.
in enjoying this thing. So when we announce it, my daughter step sister, I don't know if it is true. My daughter announced it, and in her father's side, everybody is aware.
Pretty girl, don't be deceived. You see, I saw this woman when she was pregnant. Her face changed. Her leg were swollen. Now the injection. Now injection. Okay? Now injection. The signs was not there. You can take injection, and your leg will be swollen. Even your tummy will be swollen. Your nose will be swollen. I mean, you don't know there is injection like the injection like that you can take. There's one man just now that testified how the wife was taking injection and her belly, everything was swelling up. The woman was deceiving him like she was pregnant while it was fake. I don't know, all those things, they exist. Don't be fooled. Don't let anybody fool you. All right? Don't let anybody fool you, my lady. See woman when newly born. At least the way they announce it, never reached 2 months now. Say she born 6 children. You see any sign? Woman where born, you see any sign for her breast? Her breast is sleep, logo, like normal woman breast. Woman where get belly, before she born, her neck go dark. That is one sign that nobody can escape from. Her neck go dark. Once you don't reach 7 months pregnancy, your neck color go change from the rest of your body. The signal was not in her at all. Apart from the one she used injection, she take her leg. She was always videoing her leg to show. People were telling her to go for kidney test. All this is I arranged to just make it look real. But you are seeing it. It's not real. It's not real. It's not real. There's one time she was taking supplements, drugs to whiten her skin. Nothing will not dead disgrace hand. Nothing. Swallow. Yes. People don't know. You are welcome, my lady shine. There are something that will give to you. Your belly will be swallowed. One man just testified about it that his ex-wife did it. Using it to deceive him. People, wise up. There are pregnancy cynicum. Sorry guys, it's network. There are cynicum pregnancy you can wear that will look exactly like your skin. You will wear it, nobody will even know. You will be showcasing pregnancy. They'll think really you are pregnant, whereas it's just cynicum. These things exist, but people don't know. Don't be deceived. Do not be deceived. No, don't let them whine you. You don't whine me. You don't whine me. Shabi, you don't whine. Don't whine me because me I too go wise. No, when I even have inner carcass where they will disgrace where they give me information. Day in and day out. Yeah? Because people around her are not happy the way she's scamming people. Yeah? Okay? If they were all born premature, all supposed to be in incubator, sometime, not some in incubator. Where that comment? I don't. Oh, Jesus. Not see the comment again. You say all supposed to be incubator, yeah. But some can't day, some not can't day, some can't day. Blue light. I've been a blue room. I call her just now. Some can't day. HIV ward. Some can't day incubator. Some can't day leprosy ward. Not be Jojo be that. Not be Jojo be that. I don't understand. Oh, Baba, oh. Now, wow. Wait till person not go here. Wait till person not go see for this media. Eh? You said, what about the... Okay, I've read that before. Let me go take the comments up. I even saw a video. She put a Urobo attire dancing in parlor. I just laughed. Someone that gave birth through CS, even with normal delivery, will not start dancing in 1 month. Not to talk of using CS. My people, we are all saying the same thing. Those way wise, those of the way wise for inside. The one of my uncle was like that. Okay. Faking pregnancy just to impress people. Why can't she wait for God's time? Oh, she even know the God. She know the God. But she was collecting money from people. Registration fee, 150,000 naira. For program of You Must Be Pregnant. Through prayer. But she could not use prayer to get herself pregnant. This woman scam a lot of people money through pregnancy. Nothing she nothing they scam people. Nothing. Notorious. That's why I call her notorious scammer. Notorious scammer. And in they learn forget this one day. Forget disgrace. Day. And for any time, and they learn. And in no sabi. This one. Unrepented criminal.
So third day, I was in my private ward there. I was told that somebody's looking for me. Who is that? See,
funny enough, guys, she said third day when she was in the ward of the clinic, she actually spent 1 week in that hospital. According to information, 1 week. They have to put everything together, everything. When the smoke go come out, una go yeah. What we listening?
I say, Miss, I did not call her and tell her that I've put to bed. I did not discuss anything with her. How did she know? And how did she come to this hospital? Listen to me. This video might be a little bit long, up to 10 minutes. How did she know this hospital and come here direct? So, Miss, I'm doing this video to let you know how heavy my heart is, that you offend me, you offend my children, you offend me.
It's not thunder go fire your head. Thunder go fire everything. Where even go reach cockroach where they creep. Even go reach World Echo where they creep for Nigeria war for house. Thunder go fire every living thing in your house. So your heart is heavy because best way they close to you. You say I tell no the clinic where you go do RNG. How you tell no the clinic where you go do RNG where you can't find you, come there, can't ask information. But you see your heart is heavy. What about people where they scam money on a daily basis? What you say make their hearts feel like? You see your heart is heavy because many people for worry they know. They mock you for back. They know what you do. Are you scared that sooner or later your secret is going to come out? As you continue to use money to bribe those people that is involved, that you bought children from. You continue to use money to beg them for the rest of your life. The day they will say, give me, you don't give. Now this social media we do. We are here. We are here. Eh? Your sister, your cousin sister, first cousin for that matter. No, say, you found one night, go do RNG for clinic. He can't find you, go there, go ask information. More than listen. More listen to her.
You offend every woman with what I want to say. All women that is searching for fruit of the womb, you offend them. This person in question also, she's a searching mother. She wants to become a mother again like me. I still allow her. I did not embarrass her that I don't want to see her. They should allow her to go. I don't know. I don't invite, I didn't call her. I allow her she come. Because visiting hour is just 30 minutes. So after she greets you, want to touch my children, I say no, don't touch them. Because they are still fragile, they've not immunized them yet. Don't touch them. You want to carry them because where I am, I cannot stand up now. If they are crying, we have to ring on the nurse bed to come and help. So I said, leave, nurses are coming. And she went and sit down. She asked me this insignificant question that he used the Shekiri to answer me. I did talk this video now, me miss her no say me and I go shook leg for one trouser. I wish she end up for that place for good. I can't answer. Yeye kak baby yeye she. Yeye makak baby yeye nike she tak baby balare. That is in my mind. I just look at her, I laugh. The meaning of what she asked me if I carried the pregnancy or somebody carried it for me.
You see what she talk? She said the person The sister, not even person, I call first cousin sister. Ask her, come meet her for the clinic where she for do the arrange. Say, now you carry this pregnancy. I've been a person carrying for you because since when? You just get belly. We they see you not get any belly. Since when? Because you two say not tell the woman saying get belly. Since when? How you can't tell no way, can't find a clinic when you for go to arrange. Since when you can't get belly? Now you carry this like seriously because for that one to ask, that one not say na arrange na fake. Because I worried all of the day. You not get belly on a normal. You just they claim you don't born 6 children. Now the one's gonna say, now you carry these 6 children. I've been a person carry and give her to you. These are close people to her. Now because yesterday I thought said inner caucus where they with her, where they eat with her, where they gist with her, where they grow with her. Say they download me her information. Now she come out this morning, come they confess. Come they confess. Because that cousin sister no say she no carry no belly. Even that one can go meet the clinic where she for do the arrange. Go ask the question. Mona listen. They tell her, say, when she called the clinic, ask them, they tell her, say, no, they not tell her the truth. Oh, they even quarrel with her. They not tell her the truth. Whereas those ones, you know, that they will tell her what she loves to hear. Whereas those ones, the workers there, the nurse, the workers in that clinic, they gossip her, say, nah, arrange this woman do, my sister, make you the go ask, make you rest, not bother yourself. Nah, arrange. But they can't tell her, say, no, we quarrel with her. Why are you asking? Go away. This and this and that. Yeah? Now understand that kind of thing now. They want to impress her now. Say, oh, they no open and nyash. They no tell that woman a secret. Whereas they did. The evidence are there. They did. The clinic did not keep a secret confidential. No way. They don't keep her. They don't keep her. Because I already should go do there. I beg, doctor, give me bed. All the children, they don't complete. They don't bring all of them, can't finish. The one that they bring from north, they don't bring her. The one that they bring from south, they don't bring her. The one that they bring from east, they don't bring her. The one that they bring from west, they don't bring her. Okay. All of them don't complete. Okay. Because I pay put I bet mona arrange me for bed, make I lad. Mona give me bed. How much I go pay for 1 week? Mona give me bed. Mona arrange there for my neck. Camera set. Arrange. Just to impress. Just to open business. I mean, open market for people where make you see avenue to scam a lot of women where they find the fruit of the womb. This stacking exchange is not the one educating on IVF. Yeah, this one, that one, you have to do like this, you have to do like that. This stacking trait where IVF disappoints, like say tomorrow, not day. IVF show up pepe. She have to buy from the market where they are selling children to impress social media. Rubbish.
Artist. She's just a family makeup artist. She's the one who make up me in my marriage. And during my marriage, I was pregnant 4 months.
She is not makeup artist. She know how to do makeup. Does not make her a makeup artist. She is your first cousin. Say it the way it is. Why you go wrong? Delay this video. As we speak, you don't go delay this video. She is your first cousin. You know I know her. I know a lot of people that is around you. She's your first cousin. Disgrace. Enter us. Enter us before your shame and disgrace overloaded your head. Enter us. May you get shame. Hey? You say, who say how to do visa business? Eh, not to scam. Now, since mommy law spoil the business of a prophet lie, where should they do to the scam people? Come and buy land in Warri along the main road, where she take scam people. I expose everything. Eh, now she enter visa. And more people go for victim. They say money where she scammed all those people now. More than 500 million. More than 500 million. A lot of people fall. She go give blogger money, may take give her advert. Maybe a lot of people for fall. This woman, criminal way pass I not there. She's so criminal. Her name na criminal. Criminality na be a middle name. Thief.
And after the marriage, I lost that baby when the baby is 6 months in my womb. And she make up me. She's the one who make up me in my introduction. She's the one who make up me in tradition. She's the one who make up me in white wedding. She's the one who make up me in Thanksgiving.
Take a look at her. Take a very close look at her body. The 6 signs of woman give birth. Look at her breast. It's not their body. Look at women where don't give birth. Now they know women when newly give birth. How they be. Anyway, I don't feel shot. Who get her make it see, not get her make it rest. Not be able to get her the reason see.
I gave her the full contract. Not knowing that I'm dealing with devil. Because if she gathered such acts to come and ask me, she know I'm pregnant.
How? Now the rubber, the silicone when you they put for body, sometimes you go forget put on, sometimes you go remember put on, sometimes you not go remember. Now she want to confirm say you pregnant. She not say sometimes your belly they flat, sometimes they big. Now she ask you say, now you carry this belly since when now? I been a best carry belly set children for you. Now she kukuma come meet you for the clinic. Go they ask the clinic people say, how not they do one for her? How not they say those children for this criminal? Now your cousin begin find out because she know say sometimes they remember to wear the fake silicone pregnancy. Sometimes you know they remember to wear them. Now they worry that they see you every day. They see you every day. They eat and dine with you. Sometimes they go meet you for house, your belly flat. Sometimes you go tie apart for their presence, your belly there as normal as a day. Then another day when they see you for street, your belly big. If you want to go out, you put the silicone. Not be make her go they do I find this. Jehovah. He said, Mommy love, you are sure of what you are saying. My God. Even Prophet Jeremiah came, so is all life. I beg, leave me oh jare. No fit talk. He say whether I'm sure. So all these points where they bring us since my lady. Oh my brother. The points where they feel throw away. You never cash up. Okay, no worry. Not be able to quit the cash up anyway. Mommy love, stop disturbing yourself. Grace non bon. I know they disturb myself. I just analyze the nonsense where she run come vomit. Because yesterday evening I talk say Naisa carcass now they get the information. Say very soon smoke go come out and we go through the smoke trace where the fire for busters. Then she run call the drag her cousin sister. They confess. They confess. Say not be the day when she announced say she born, not be she actually born. Meaning, now so Sunday red blue lights. Now so Sunday epilepsy lights. Now so Sunday HIV word. Now so Sunday here. He said because I am very shocked. My dear, not shocked, I beg. Nothing we never. What you never see, you never will carry there. What you never see, you never will carry there. The more you look, the less you see on social media. That is why you must not be carried away. You must not be carried away. Don't be in haste to believe everything you see on social media. I will show you something just now before I end this video. Let's go. I will show you something.
Even though I'm being mute with this pregnancy, there are people around me who know I'm pregnant. People that go to the same church that I'm going, they see me. If I go to
I go to which church you are going? Which of the church? See, so they carry for you must see one video where she do where she Abele big before she goes Zimbabwe that day. Abele come be see the kind dance where she dance. Space where really they heavily pregnant, no go fit dance that kind dance. No go fit dance that kind dance. The signs are there, but people don't pay attention. She go put silicone for belly finish. She go they claim not be I take screenshots where she goes Zimbabwe. I say why call your belly flat before you come out go Zimbabwe. Your belly big, they draw for grant. How come? You just, the video I say, welcome her for Zimbabwe. Belly all flat. She all wear with it tight, belly flat. Not be I can't see call her at that time. Say, how far market? Wait till they happen here. Wait till they happen here. She always fake everything. Always faking it. This criminal. Just to scam people. Just to prove relevancy to herself. Whereas she's a name does too spoil. But I wonder how people still manage to fall for this criminal. Mommy love, I am a mother from the very first day I saw her video when she arrived home from hospital. I was very surprised that a woman that gave birth can dance like that. It surprised me. Oh. I said that very day when she claimed, said the discharger and the sis and the Richards. She won't come down for car. If you see the way she won't want baby for her, if you see the way she did jump down. Even when we're born with normal delivery, you can't jump like that. You cannot to talk of CS. CS now your mates. Delivery through CS now your mates to jump. Even normal delivery, they're not born you where you go jump, come down from car. Like that. Come on. Everything fake. All the signs are there. They say she even lead down greet her spiritual father. I don't know which of them. Oh. I don't know which of the spiritual father, but they say she lead down for us for the clinic where she for do and Reggie. She lead down. Woman where just do CS go lead down. They greet person. Not be juju be that. Woman when you born go they dance, they shake you and they dance. I beg you for welcoming party where she do. Woman where born with CS, sis baby. Are you kidding me right now? Like seriously? Are you for real? I bet me wanna leave matter for Matthias. I know fish shots.
Me, if I go to see my one of my sisters that call her my mother in Ubeji, people see me. She knows I'm pregnant, and then she comes.
When you go to Ubeji, people see you after you wear silicone pregnancy. To prove a point to them. But people that come to you, that enter your house, that eat and die with you, sometimes they see you with flat tummy, sometimes they see you with big tummy. Sometimes you remember to wear the silicone, sometimes you don't remember to wear the silicone. How about that? That's why your cousin sister come to you, find you say you're not telling her the clinic where you go. You surprised say you see her for the clinic. You not tell her, say, see clinic or whatever, you born, whatever. But if find you come there, come and say, now you carry and being a person carry all these children for you. Now people carry these children for you. Now style, she not say you not carry any baby. She just throw me and use her and hit your head because she knows you be fake. Because she know what she see every time she come to your house. She knows. That's why she throw the question to you. To say, we know waiting day, not the fool yourself. And she go ask the clinic, the workers there open their mouth. Wow. They not cover up your shameless secret for you. But then when you call them to find out, to say, my cousin sister, he can't ask question. He didn't meet the doctor. Didn't meet the enemy. Did he come to find out about my secret? They tell you, say, no, we even curse ourselves. We even shun her. We don't even answer her. We tease ourselves. They tell you what you love to hear. Whereas, they download that your dirty secrets. Your Lanusumba lifestyle of buying children to come and impress, to scam gullible people that are desperate for fruit of the womb. Shame on you. Ole, see him out. See him out. See this him out. Orwe. Wagbeo. May all those children, may they perish in your hand one after the other. Because the pain you are causing to other people's children is so pathetic. Scammer. You scam people money to go buy children from people, different places. Because they make noise for media. The people where get out, they cannot see, they are believing your fake life. Or way. Thunder, fire with you, use the money they buy.
That insignificant question. She did not end it there. That's why I'm calling her out now.
You say she don't ask irrelevant question. She not end down there. Yeah, because she know you are fake. She needs to gather some evidence. That's why she went to the clinic and asked them questions. Because your nyash go soon leak. Sooner or later. You no go to take again. The way your nyash they leak for people where you scam with fake visa now. Now so your nyash go stay leak. People where how you take gather those sardines together, buy and call it children. They will come out and start dragging you one after the other. No one, don't be social media with day. Now here we day now. Except you're confused today. Anytime they say give me money or they give them all. No play rudeness to them. Any of them one day people will get children. Where is safe for you? You are ready to they say to 247 to they close their mouths. But still one day be one day. Monkey go market, you know go return.
Show on this video because I know law. I'm a law person. I know law.
He says she be law person, she know law. So you know law and you are scamming people. Which law you know? Criminality law, now you know. You know law, you are busy scamming people of their hard-earned money. And disgrace. You know, since I told that go to fire you. Fire every creepy thing around you. You know law and you are scamming people. Don't you? Eh? But Bright said, Mommy love, you be dictator. I don't even take a look of it. I just believe her and rejoice with her. Really? Hey, yeah. Take a look or go and look those go and take a look and look at those sardines very well. They were not born the same day. They were not born from one womb. Then go and take a very close look. Not me go tell una. Mona go look. If una be not shine, I tell look. Mona go look where again. Mona tell me what una see.
Put a picture. Yeah, but I'm calling a name.
All the children look so different from each other. They look so different. They look so. Some girl old my face. Some girl old woman face. Some come fair. That one na you. That way fair na young girl born that one. Na fair person born that. Hey, disgrace just roy for yeah. Gather together. Oh yeah, social media. I'm coming to prove a point. Congratulations, Beyi, fake life. Wow.
Son, a makeup artist in Beji. She did not end it there. She went to she went and make some requirement in the hospital. If I'm the one who carry it.
We hear that the cousin sister of disgrace, the scammer of our time, did not only go to her, she went to the clinic to go and make requirements to know the truth and nothing but the truth about the real thing. What happened? How come about 6 children? He paid her. He paid her well. Eh? Let's listen because of time. I won't go take breakfast. I thought they're hungry.
To challenge her and say, this patient you are talking about is a patient I did a procedure for. A patient I monitored till she put to bed. So she will not do.
That is what the clinic told her because they told her what she loved to hear. Then, and little did she know that the clinic don't cast her. They don't cast her. People don't carry evidence, keep. I have a beer with Natia insurance. For one day be one day. Mokin yash. Foul yash. Breeze go blow. Foul yash go open. That is why the cousin went as far going to make requirements from the clinic. But when she called the clinic to confirm, oh, so person come, this one come, that one come, they told her what she loved to hear. To say, no, we didn't tell her anything. We show her, we ignore her, we quarrel her, we chase her. Blah, blah, blah. They told her what she loved to hear. Yeah? He said the boy husband Mumusha. Oh, maybe she they scam. She don't want me that one run live on. She they scam people money till they take care of that one. They feed that one, they clothe that one, they do things for that one, make that one not run live on. Because she go broke, that little guy is going to run. Person saying Sion. That's what the guy, the boy husband not get joy. Because you know when you fake it on social media, the reality still remain inside your house. That's not be you born children. That's why the guy is not happy. They say she heard the worker for what say I call this road. I don't forget. Agbaro Road. He go just the boy go just use face. They think in life. If they greet yourself, you no go yes, say they greet am. It might don't go far for thinkness. Because he knows the truth, say spam not produce nothing. Na RNG. Now social media, the happiness for the show. But the real life, the happiness is not there. It's not there. Because once off camera, it don't be like, when they take camera, oh yeah, it's time to act. When they are off camera, the reality is right before their face. Yes. So, no happiness.
A patient, my own patient, you are answering me this type of question. Do you want more about yourself? You are supposed to be struggling for yourself, Sister Misa, not me, Uremu.
Uremu, stop to the scam people. Uremu disgrace. Stop to the scam people. Refund their money. Oh, me, I have interest. You know now. Refund those people money when you scam. Refund. You don't scam. They take go buy children full house, but still you not get joy. Refund their money. Refund their money. And this HIV, I say HIV, IVF. When you don't they use to the brainwash people for inside house. Don't see cry come at Ojibole. Now everything they scam people. You don't get conscience. You are heartless. Uremu return people money. You know if you use people, scam people money to go buy children, and you go expect to make those children make it day well with them. No. If you don't return those people who you scam their money to buy those children, you'll see those children go they fall sick one after the other. They go they die for your eye one after the other. You will go empty again and again and again. Now emptiness be your portion. Because you empty people their hard-earned money to prove a point, to enrich yourself. To prove a point that, oh, I don't born, whereas you buy children. The truth don't will let you talk. And you empty them their hard-earned money. And so those things where you claim, say, where you believe, say, for give you happiness, when not they give you happiness. So now so they go die for your hand one after the other. I curse you. I never brush. I just wake up. I curse you today, and that curse shall remain on your life in the mighty name of Jesus. As you empty people their hard-earned money to cause pain on them, to frustrate them, they say so don't even get stroke. Out of pain and sickness and all of that, both your spiritual attack, they don't get stroke, they don't get sick. People will scan money with visa, fake visa. As you empty people, that girl yesterday said she said she's a fashion designer, she sold everything she has. She has heart problems. She wanted to travel to France to go and get proper treatments. You frustrated her efforts. As you empty people their hard-earned money and frustrate them, so those things that money where you scam, they use it to go buy children. Those children go die for your eye, one after the other. I said so. They go meme for your hand, one after the other. It's a pity those children are innocent, but they will die for your hand. Because that is the what you use their money for. One of the things you use, the people you scam, their money for. So they will not amount to nothing. You see, they will be falling down and die one after the other. Or except you go refund back their money. Except those people when you scam money, put in pain, you go refund their money, give them one after the other. If you refuse to do so, now those people money to go buy children, and those children will not. What you use that money for no go get head. You no go stand. You no go amount to anything for your hand. They go die. I said so. Because this life, you can't be causing people pain and expect you want to be good. Never. It's not done. You can't be dragging people backward, limiting people. Even when they are making effort to better their life, you are limiting them, bringing them to square one, and you expect you want to be good for you. It can never be possible. Disgrace, pay them back their money, or waiting you go use those money back will perish your hand. I never brush. I just wake up when I start this video. It shall never be well with you. You go see bad news over those children when you go bad. Now we go here for this social media. Now tears, sorrow, we go here for their body, for this social media. You see before your shame and disgrace even come out to light. Now bad news, tears, sorrow, loss will be your portion. Every creepy thing will die in your hand, in that your house. That's why you build up people money. You scam a lot of people. Online members, you scam them. Maybe they can't do all your business. Maybe they can't do this one. You scam a lot of people to build that house. You want to see bad children now, you scam people. Take everything you want to know, they scam people. Take do them. The boy when you put for us, can't he just be hard working for once? You know if he work for you. Now you they use money, see the pampara make it not run leave you. Or pronouncing a flat and a dog. Eh? When you broke like this, you go begin turn you to punch it bag. The videos when they wait, tell mama you beat you, break your head, bleed you. Everything see them my phone, no? You know now. Eh? That's why you are from one. If one cast, you go enter another thing, take scam people. If that one cast, you go find another thing, take comments. If this one cast, you know the cast for inside body since a year plus. Now you enter HIV journey. I say HIV. I be you don't get HIV disgrace. IVF journey, you enter. You enter IVF journey because when one cast, before the spiritual work you they do for people to scan, they come and buy land, they worry along the main road, then they scan people. As that one cast, you enter agency, traveling agents. That one cast, you enter IVF. If one cast, you go enter another one. Why are you like this? You don't feel repent? You don't feel repent? No, disgrace. May God punish your life. Those children when you go use people money to buy so now go see your pain is just the beginning for you. You'll see those children will never survive. They will never survive. They will never survive unless you go return back their money. If you fail to return back their money, wait till go kill those children in their sleep, no go far off from them. Let me tell you. I never brushed this money. With the authority in me as a twin, with everything that came with me and life, everything will follow me, call life, now take cost you this money, and so shall it be. So shall it be unto you, because you have caused a lot of people too much pain. It's too much. See, last night, see the comments, people where scam, where they cry, say they need their money back. All those comments, I screenshot them yesterday, I post some of them from my page. I post some of them from my page. Why are you causing people pain? You don't have what they are looking for. You will lie to them that you have it just to scam them. Their hard-earned money. Disgrace, it shall never be well with you. Nor those children you bought with people's money, they will die in your hand if you refuse to return that money. If you refuse to return people's money, they will die one after the other. You will see. Now, sorry. As you say, receive that fake congratulation, because where you not carry, where you not born. As you say, receive that fake congratulation. Now, say you say, receive sorry. Oh, sorry for your loss for this social media. I say so, and so shall it be. As I decree and declare, so shall it be unto you, unless you return people money. As you say, receive fake congratulation all over the world. We are telling you congratulations, and you know deep down that congratulation, you don't deserve it. Now, arrange it you do. Now, so also when those children will begin to die for your hand, one after the other, now so you will receive sorry. Accept my sympathy, my condolence. Oh, the children gone so soon will be your portion. Will be the portion of those children where you use people hard-earned money, sweat, to go acquire to prove relevancy for social media. It shall never be well with you.
When you do so, and they do this video, you see, they call you sister now. Because now the way they bring me up at the respect, this thing when you do so, all mothers will fight you. Since you people don't want me to rest, I just put to bed. You people are still disturbing me. Motherhood, that blood that was poured in my head, that I poured in the head of my children, will judge you. And then
disgrace, shut up. The head of the people you have scammed in the whole wide world, they will torment and judge you. The wrath of and the hunger of God will fall on your head in a disastrous way, that you will never know peace. Okay? He said she done the lecture people of HIV program again. Imagine. What did she know about IVF? Initiate mumu scammer. Oh, ask me. A stack initiate we don't know A, no no B. Is not coming to lecture intellectual people about IVF. Even at some those videos which they do, even they talk about now so surrogate mom, the clinics because she don't get her to know the surrogate mom when one carry baby for her. Disgrace, tell people the truth once and for all, and know so that you can know little peace, even though not much, little peace. But I know for sure you will never know peace. Because the lives you have destroyed, the pain you have caused humanity is too much. You can never know peace. The Bible, my Bible make me to understand that there is no peace for the wicked. And you will never know peace. You will never know peace. Yeah. See mouth. Or way.
Women saying outside there, am I breastfeeding? Am I the one who has the children? No, come into my house.
He said they pour blood for her head. More will listen to this all way. Thief, scammer, notorious scammer.
Look my breast, if I'm breastfeeding or not. Or come and carry my
your breast not be like woman way born. The signs are not there. You know they breastfeed nothing. Now line up of filibuster with the sea. Cow milk, now you see they feed the children where you buy. No breastfeeding. As I talk and I go bapu empty breast for the sardines in their mouths. Because she not get shame. She too mumu.
I don't know why my own is so painful to you people. It shows that you people are the devil incarnate that don't want me to have children. But good,
if you want to have children, do you need to scam people? People are adopting. Why don't you go and adopt instead of making a wrong arrangement to impress who? You were the scam people. You're the devil incarnate here. You are the demon here. Evil, repeated soul, unrepeated thief. Unrepeated thief. Highway robber. How many better pass you? Disgrace. Eh? They don't want you to. If you want to have children, you don't need to scam people to achieve it. Must you put people in perpetual pain and just to make yourself happy? But still, the happiness not in your life. Look at you. Just look at you. You be like waiting they know they use again. You be like waiting on the. You be like crazy person. You be like crazy. I be now your boy where so full face. That one you'll be like waiting. I don't understand. Upon on a buy do and regime buy children. Scam people but for still happiness not done in life. Eh? Return people money. Return it. I'm coming for that later. Let me drop this one first.
We never exist in your life. Sister Misan, I release this on you. Celebration will never exist in your life. For you to be doing this to me, you will experience hatred. You will experience disappointment, failure, everything about your life. You will experience disgrace.
That's just as you have experienced disgrace, failure, limitation, backwardness. Disgrace. Now you're made the bad children. Now you're made they do RNG, fake. They fake and they get children. They buy children from different angles. Your mates, they don't born finish. They don't carry some don't even get grandchildren. Before those, if I thought, which I know it might not even stand. If I thought those children where you buy, where you scam people money to buy, now my problem, I don't even have a problem with the children, but you scamming people to buy them is my problem. Before those children go even, if they go even survive 10 years, you know, no say you don't old. This one where you did, so not be blessed, you know. You go buy children, we scam people money, buy children from fire to from fire to fire. From fire to fire, you scam people money to go buy children from different corners to impress social media people. At the end of the day, you not still get joy. You not still get joy. Just as limitation has enveloped you, failure at the edge of success has enveloped your life. Disappointment, shame, disgrace has enveloped you. You are causing it to your cousin sister to also be like you. Only if she's living the kind of life you are living, that's when it will happen in her life. You will be scammer, you don't get peace. Tears and sorrow, you don't know how long you cry your life, the beat where you receive. Before you go do this arranging and scam people, carry say they do, you purposely plan it. A plan work to bring up fake agency, scamming visa this thing. You go open page because on social media be your headquarters to scam people. At the end of the day, you go use and say go buy children from where God know where. Then but still you not get joy. Your life, no joy, nothing change. The fake congratulation you receive, it not do you no good. Instead, it heap fire on your life because you know deep down, you know what is involved. Now, social media, some people not wise, don't know what's up. But you yourself, you cannot hide it from your God. You cannot hide it from God. You cannot hide the truth from yourself. You know the road where you follow. You just confess. If people get common sense, they're supposed to understand where your matter they go. You just confess. The children, not the day we announce I give to birth, I put to birth. Few days, many days before we now announce. Somewhere in a incubator, somewhere in a blue light, somewhere in a Ashawo light, somewhere in a HIV war, somewhere in a leprosy war. If people guess, they're supposed to calculate. Say you are fake. Fake life is bad.
Stamisa, you will not know peace. Since you say me and my children should not have rest of mind, you are going to hospital.
Not be say she say me you not get rest of mind. Now you see the guilt, see your conscience now they fight you. And there's no way you and the so-called children where you beg will know peace. There's no way. Peace not gonna fit there your life disgrace because you destroy a lot of lives already. You put people in perpetual pain already. You destroy people's effort already. You scam a lot of people and put them in limitation, stagnation, frustration. It can never be well with you. Now your cause it cause your problem. Where you they cause so? Now she cause your problem. Hell, Baba, oh. Now she cause wahala way for your life. Confusion way for your life. Now she cause that for your body. Oji Bole. Please, guys, thumbs up this video for me. Back to you, Grace, okay? Please help me to thumbs up and share this video, guys. Please, join me to create more awareness, okay?
Confirm if I'm the one who carry pregnancy. When you see me, you know I'm pregnant. You see me with my pregnancy. It shows that you are even in wish disturbing me when I
not be to see person say belle big. We are no longer in 1946. We are in 2024. After putting on silicone, pregnancy fake silicone, you see me, I was pregnant. Sometimes your belly they flash, sometimes it go big for inside cloth. She knew that you were faking it. That is why she have to do her research. It pain her. Said I will go clinic, go find a nyash. It pain her where the mumu commenter are supporting her. No mind them. Until you go scam their brother or their sister, their eye go neat. When I say if death not my person way near person, they don't go no say death they real. Now be the thing. Until disgrace go, any of their relatives go fall victim for disgrace, and then they go no say yes. And that time they go no say now so it be.
My baby, after you make up me in my marriage. All the tears before you see me coming out to make this video, I'll be crying. I don't call people out on video. I don't like it. I don't call people out. If you call
see this saga prophet like disgrace. This one will be say they follow and they drag saga. He say I don't call people out on video. I don't do it. I don't call. See. All your evidence are on everything are on YouTube. They are on Facebook. They are everywhere. Bloggers. You don't call people out like you're not from me. Wait, I don't know. Oh, wagbeo disgrace. Viva bola wegbe wa ohoa. Onyara. Onyi berebe. Uonyei. Wa tuwu. Cabron. Ikade puta. Wagbeo. Wanna see Agberu. Prophet like disgrace where you don't run saga for this space. Like I said tomorrow, no, they say I don't like calling people out. Not be small fun, eh? You won't call the phone for you. Wow, useless, dirty, sticking, notorious criminal called Uremu Face. Ale aka disgrace.
If I do you anything, you tell me fine. We'll sort it out. But if you call me out on video, know that the battle line has been drawn between me and you. What do I mean? That I will give you chance. I don't want any such accommodation.
Which kind of English will come be this one? I don't want any such accommodation. Sure, come be waiting accommodation they find for you. Say, if you call me out, I don't understand. You the colony, Shebi you the colo. Who buy children? Take prove relevancy for social media. That's what they colo. I don't want, if you call me as enemy, I don't give accommodation. I don't know what accommodation they find for inside that talk. This was not confused past confusion. Now this is what they call confused.com. Feturamu were confused. I don't know, I don't give accommodation. Accommodation for inside talk. What did they find for inside the talk when you just talk? Just now, I say in line with your talk. Not be small accommodation. You say all the babies get different face. Yes, now they get different face. No one look alike. No one get resemblance. They get different. You get one where you get your man face. If you they look down one, Jesus. Thank God say I don't born finish. If you all sit down one, picking no go you hungry you. Now you carry old man face come like. I said, God, which kind of nonsense be all this one? He get one of the girl too where you see carry that one be like say na ancestors that one be. Oh my God! I love a shot. Shoo. I don't understand. When we play, I go chop. Therefore, we come back. Because I'm coming back very soon. After I end this one, after I take my breakfast, whether not breakfast, I'll come talk. Whether now lunch, I'll come eat. Because like I say breakfast time don't pass. I don't know what the time is right now, but after I eat, I go come back. They even get different age births. Dates. Yes, they get exactly. They get different dates. They get not be decided they born those ones. So don't reach 4 months for inside. So don't reach 3 months. So now 2 months. So now 1 month old. Since Quatra, the other they call them. Where they get different dates of birth. Can you imagine that? Nothing where they not go see for disgrace hand. What disgrace cannot do does not exist. Solution as of thief scammer ministry. What they cannot run, what the CEO cannot run does not exist. CEO of thief Ojibole Oleja Koniko. How are you? David, disgrace Bola Wegbe Feturemu. Your real name is Feturemu, alias AKA Ojobo Jero. Disgrace scammer of our time, notorious one as that. Wow, warrior.
See, my papa people now talk and say, although boa damia diribu, e she baka mumiaka mogolo. Ni tere, in case tere sami, we wario golo mo, we are rumi mo. Except you ask God for forgiveness. Or from a kind
that will fire you disgrace. People where you scam, you don't ask God for forgiveness. People where you don't destroy. People where you don't cause pain. People where you don't scam. People where you don't set up with bad boys, your bad gang where they use, say they do your dirty job. You don't ask God for forgiveness. Have you?
If what they sweet you, when you reach my testimony and my grace, when they give you it so, it go stop. I don't get time.
We should hear testimony. People where God give, where they not buy, where they not pay picking. The year was said they get testimony, they carry grace. Not be where carry scam people. Not be even with your money now. Scam people money with trick. With 419 visa, you scam, they take up bad children. Now that one be grace. That one I hear grace. Some say they tap. I say some people don't even know. They know what they tap from. Now every nonsense where they see for social media, now they type from. Now every nonsense what they say for social media they type from. Eh? You know what type say, oh God, make it be from throne of grace. May God give unto you. Now we see they use money buy. You don't like something way free. Free gift from God. You don't like her. They tap nonsense. Tap rubbish.
I'm not a trouble person. Anybody can make mistake. I can make mistake. I can do things at times that maybe I don't know that the way I put it is wrong. I always say
I do these things sometimes that you don't know that the way you put it is wrong. So scamming people you don't know is wrong. Disgrace, bringing a notorious criminal on cyberspace, you don't know is wrong. Ah, now pretense go by you. Wow, David, wow. Knowing and doing is a big sin. Let me listen.
Sorry, and I amend. I learn. Where people are insulting me, that is where I learn. I always learn. I'm not.
You say when people are insulting her, that is where she learn. Make her laugh in China language. Disgrace. 2 years long. Now they expose you for scamming skills where you did scam people money, but you refuse to learn. You be unrepented criminal. You see when people they insult you, now you they learn. How come you have never learned? We expose you from Prophet Lie, from spiritual work, you say scam people. From come and buy land or Agbaro Express Road, land, I got land to sell, you go do and register scam people money. You don't learn. We expose you on that. From that one, you enter fake agency, visa agency. You don't learn. Now IVF scam, you can't see enter now. A stack illiterate like you, a mumu illiterate like you are not the one educating people on IVF because you feel go buy different children where they newly born, where they born 3 months interval, 2 months interval, 1 month interval, you go gather buy with people money. You can't tell yourself say you don't arrive. You say now when people they curse your head, you they learn. Okay, wait. That's why they curse you. I say now God will punish you. I say every living thing in your house will perish one after the other. In fact, they will perish in one day. They go perish in one day. You will never know peace. It shall never be well with you, disgrace. If they curse you now, you they learn. Okay, wait. And they come later. Make I come display better curse on your life. Okay? Yeah, go and be refunding people's money when you scam them with fake visa. If they cost you, now they learn. Okay, no worry, we don't hear. But I know say you know they learn, you be unrepented so. Mama, Papa, when you scam for America, where I arrest you for Asaba. I bring all those awareness. The ones where you scam with fake business, oil business. We bring all those evidence. We scoff you on top. The people where is they sick when you say you want to give healing power, healing, spiritual work. When you scam them, rip them off their money. You as we do and reach, you know, learn. Why are you deceiving yourself? Huh? Why are you deceiving yourself, disgrace? No worry. We don't hear. See, they curse you. Now they let we know say and lie you talk, but we go continue to pour insult on your head. And it's a chamba where you scam. Say you want to do visa for our brother. 6 million. Be how much you scam her. As she cost you rich, you don't return her money. You don't learn. No bell. No bell. Disgrace. When you scam people money to buy those children, make them bell for your hand. Disgrace. You go wake up one morning, all of them go from sleep, enter another deep sleep. They not go wake up. If you refuse to return people money, when you go catch those children for their sleep, they make them in 1 second, make it not far off from them. If you refuse to return people money, now what will happen to you be that? Those children they go sleep, they go enter deep sleep, they not go wake up. That's why it go be unto you. Because people when you scam, and they can't play one video just now, if I come back. They are in deep pain. You have frustrated a lot of lives. You have put people in a tight corner that they are frustrated because of your scamming activities. Eh? They even get different age. Okay. Imagine. He said they cost an age they learn. Can you imagine? Can you just imagine that? Eh? Maybe that's one door threatening to expose her. Your Oyibo pikin wey be like my grandpapa you dey see. You should be Oyibo pikin again. Wait till this one. Wait till this one they talk. Oyibo pikin. Where you see Oyibo pikin?
Person, but since you are looking for me, you will get it, Sister Misa. I will not end it. Not end it here. No. For you to come to the hospital when you meet me in the bed, ask me that stupid question, and I keep you quiet. I talk to you normal. You still went as far going to the clinic to confirm. I'm coming for you. I'm really coming for you. I will make this video about you until
people around that they know say she fake all those children. She not carry those children. That is why they are doing research around her. To the extent going to the clinic. If people where they worry, where they enter her house, where they know her, will be going about making requirements on clinic. She do the RNG. What did that tell you, people? What did that tell you? Don't you realize that there is a command somewhere? These things are not real. Did that tell you that these things are not real? She's fake. She's a fake life. Say, she not carry any 6 children. I pray maybe she won't carry 1. I pray. Not to talk of 6. Who dash smoky banana? She had to buy and put it together just to prove relevancy of media. Just to also open business for people head, because she know what they sell. You must be pregnant by prayer. Come and so see that all those who are not they work again. Now IVF she passed come to tell the scam people. She know that she want to use it to extract money from people. People will say, oh wow, people believe everything they see on social media. Oh, show me road. Oh, before you know, she will start giving their condition. That's why the clinic she refused to say. The supposed clinic she said she claimed she delivered, she refused to say. Contact she refused to say. She said they must come through her. What did that tell you? Opportunity to scam them. She go make arrangement with anybody, fake doctor, that will even speak with those people. She will plan it out and scam them hell lots of money. That is the game. That is the game from this criminal called disgrace. Yes. Yes. The evidence are everywhere. People are crying how she scammed them. People are crying. The evidence are all around social media. And she claims she know law. Which law do you know? You know law and you are busy scamming people. Disgrace. Woe unto you. Woe unto you. You are cursed and you are cursed forever. Because person will go there life. Wait till he use the hand work, not go enter and another person hard work, hard waiting for other people labor for their own betterment of their life. Now you want use trick, take scam, take fill your own pocket. You don't say you are cursed forever. Disgrace. Yeah?
And we see it. Your husband will see my video and know that it's very good for somebody to marry a woman who will not lose hope and push until children be at home. You will see it.
And push to the extent of doing a regime, buying children from people that are desperate to hand a million. And disgrace. Our layer. My lady Susan said, Grace na Anini. Anini is understatement, my lady. Anini na understatement. She's worse than an Anini. She's worst. She's worse than an Okpo.
Thank you very much, ma, for all your movement. I've seen it, I've heard it, I've observed it. Please, my people, drop your opinion on the comment section.
Okay, now see, I want to show you guys two things before I go. First of all, let me show you that she have deleted this video. This video has been playing since because I'm already inside. But right on her wall, this video is already 7 hours ago. She have already deleted it like 1 hour or 2 hours plus ago. When I started this video, it was about 20-something minutes ago. She deleted the video already. She made a post and said she have deleted, and she truly deleted. Because I use on my other phone to check. She have deleted this video. Why this video is still playing since is because I'm already in. But the moment I will go out of here and I will not see this video again. This video was only still playing because I am already playing it. In as much as she has deleted it, but still I still can play it because I already click in playing this video. You see? So let's go out now. You see that this video is no longer there. Let me go out. Okay, let me go out. Let's search. We will not see this video again. Remember, 7 hours or 8 hours ago. We will not see this video again. You will see. This is a war. A criminality war. We will not see this video again.
Hallelujah. God bless you. God bless you. Please, as you come in, help me to share the video. My name is Prophetess Grace Ojefo, General Overseer of Solution House of God Ministry, aka You Must Be Pregnant.
She dropped this one 2 hours ago. Okay, I will listen to it to see what is that. Look at the post she made to say, oh, my family, I have deleted the video. I respected you all. The moment she sees I enter life. That is 2 hours ago. The moment I enter life. Few minutes after I enter life, she make this post. She don't run, go delete the video. You see her? She make a post, say she don't run, go delete her more. This criminal. See her? Go take a look at this. This sardines. You see her? Say, there are lots of...
You must be pregnant.
There are lots of... the same look at all. See, the video supposed to day before this video. No, after this video. The video where will they list it to see supposed to day after this very video. But because she don't delete them, you know, they get. See, this one 90 hours ago. 90 hours ago. You see, she don't delete and that video not there war again. This criminal. The moment she sees her enter. See, this one get which kind of old woman did the old woman face with this one? Well, I tell see, woman where claim say newborn. Now filibuto. Cow milk. She can't breastfeed them because she never get. She not born no picking. She not born no crush. Okay. Yes. So we dey monitor her because she's a scammer. How about that? She's a criminal, a notorious one as that. All right.